We have so much to talk about. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I am beyond excited about today's video because I have so many amazing products to share with you guys. And the best part of this entire video is they're all drugstore. There is literally 2 high-end products in this video. Everything else is drugstore. Everything else in this video is drugstore. From my hair care to my skincare to the makeup I want to talk to you guys about. There's so much good shit that I've discovered in like the last 6 weeks, maybe like 6 to 8 weeks. No, mainly like 6 weeks because what are we? We're like the last weekend of January. So yeah, I have so much good shit here and I am beyond excited to talk to you guys about it. If you guys are interested, let's get into this January favorites because we started off 2025 with some good shit. So let me shut up and let's get into it. So I want to start off with hair care. So I don't know if you guys have seen like all over TikTok, by the way, my hair is disgustingly dirty. I was gonna wash it this morning, but then I was like, do I really want to do all that? And then I didn't do it, and then I kind of regret not doing it. So I'm gonna do it tonight, but it's like in this clip because it's a hot mess. It's a mess, okay? But I don't know if you guys have seen all over TikTok, everybody's talking about drugstore shampoo, like you need sulfates, you need this, you need that. So for literally years, I have been sulfate free since like 2020. I haven't used like a drugstore product or anything that has sulfate in my hair. And being totally transparent, you guys, I feel like my hair has looked like shit for years. I can't get it to grow. Like literally when I was like 17, 18, 19, my hair would grow so quick and then like it just kind of stopped. So I was like, oh, maybe this is like a part of getting older. This is like a side effect of like me bleaching my hair for many years, which I'm sure obviously it is. But what I learned, thanks to TikTok, sulfate actually cleans your hair. So if you're using only sulfate-free products, like yeah, your hair will get cleaned, but apparently not the way that it's supposed to get clean. I don't know. I'm just repeating what I've been hearing, all right? So with that being said, I went they almost just dropped them all. I went absolutely crazy with the drugstore hair care, okay? Like I have so much here, and honestly, like I pretty much only use drugstore hair care. Once a week I actually do shampoo my hair with sulfate-free products just because they did say, like, I mean, what I've been seeing on TikTok is if you only use products with sulfate, it will create like a cast or like a coat on your hair, so you kind of want to like switch it out. So that's what I've been doing, but overall I've been loving drugstore hair care, so let's get into it. So first, these are actually sulfate-free. This is from Garnier. This is their hair filler strength repair shampoo and conditioner, and you guys, I have been loving this. My hair feels so clean after I use this. Like it's actually crazy. And the one thing I have to give it to with drugstore is, you guys, your hair will smell good for fucking days. Like no joke, I will smell my hair for days. Now that I'm using like drugstore again, my hair will smell so freaking good for days. And this, you guys, I absolutely love it. Again, this line specifically is sulfate free and it is a bond repairing line. So it says it's going to repairs and strengthens broken bonds, deepen the cortex, hair fibers, and inner layer, and then up to 4 times stronger hair with up to 79% less breakage, visibly smooth and healthy looking hair. And yes, I have to say my hair looks so good and healthy. I'm actually obsessed. So these I use like once a week or maybe like twice a week, honestly. Then we have another bond strength line. This one is from Dove, and you guys, this one smells incredible. I don't know, this may be like honestly my favorite one because it smells so good, but this one does have sulfate in it, and when I use this, my hair also feels like nice and like hydrated and soft. Like both of these lines, you guys, are amazing. So it just really depends like what you're going for. Like me, I don't mind having 9,000 different shampoo bottles. Over consumer, like that's definitely a problem, but I do really like this one too. Like I do feel like my hair is very clean. It feels nice and strong after. Like it just feels so frigging good. So I'm loving that. Then I did pick up this. This is another one from Garnier. I used to be a Garnier girl. Growing up, I always used Garnier. It was like literally my favorite. This is their Sleek and Shine smoothing shampoo. So I picked this up because this is supposed to help combat frizz, and my hair can be very frizzy. So this I have been loving. I use this around 1 to 2 times a week. And honestly, again, smells incredible. I love it. And pretty much all of these, like the most expensive shampoo here is this one. This is like $9, which compared to what I've been paying for years, like that's nothing. So yeah, this, you guys, I've been enjoying. I almost just like broke it. This, you guys, I've really been enjoying, and I can't get enough of it. And then we have one more. This is from Pantene. This is really what started it all. This is their sheer volume shampoo. So I bought this because this is actually like a deep cleaning shampoo. Forget the name. It's not fortifying, but it's like, it really is like a deep clean. So if you have a lot of buildup or a lot of oil or a lot of dandruff, like you're gonna wanna use this one because this is going to deep clean your hair. This one, I literally only use it once a week because of how intense it is. Like my hair definitely feels very, very clean after using it. So this, I only really need to use it once a week. And also, in my opinion, my hair feels a little dry after using this. I'm assuming because it's literally cleaning the absolute fuck out of my hair. So that's why I don't like to use it all the time, but that's also why I go in with like the Dove Bond Repair or the Garnier or like the other Garnier. Like this I do use only once a week. One big thing that I really wanted to share with you guys is that my hair when I shower does not fall out the way that it used to. Literally, you guys, my hair would fall out in literal clumps, like clumps and clumps and clumps of hair. I just thought that like that was my hair and I just thought that like I had to accept it. You guys, I lose now maybe a few strands. Like my hair used to literally come out in clumps. And I will say one thing, my hair is growing extra fast. So I don't know, like they say that like with a clean scalp, your hair is gonna grow really, really fast. And the fact that I've been reincorporating sulfates, using deep cleaning shampoos, I do feel like my hair is growing a lot faster than it normally does. I don't know, I have less fallout when I shower. My hair is growing. My hair just feels healthier. So I think there's something to drugstore shampoo. So these are the ones that I've been incorporating like in my routine, like in my rotation. So these are my favorites, you guys. And let me tell you, your hair will be smelling good for days. Now we're gonna take it high end really quick. This is brand new from Redken. This is their acidic color gloss heat protectant treatment, shine protection, and color protection. You guys, this is what I use in my hair after I get out of the shower, pretty much every shower. I was skeptical to use this because I was like, I don't know if it's gonna like do what I need it to do. No, it does. This combats your frizz. Incredible. My hair, you guys, using this as my leave-in, you don't even understand how shiny my hair is. You can't really tell right now. I mean, I guess you kind of can because like it's been maybe like 2 days since I washed my hair. Oh, another thing, I wash my hair every 2 days now. I used to wait like 3-4 days. Nope, I wash my hair every 2 days now. Like that's another thing that I feel like is helping my hair because I'm keeping it clean more. But anyways, this, you guys, I absolutely love it. If you are somebody that has color in your hair and that you're like, you struggle with frizz, you're gonna wanna try this because it makes my hair look so shiny and healthy. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So even though I am using like a lot of drugs, so I'm still using my high-end stuff. But this, you guys, oh my God. I did buy a leave-in product from Garnier and I can't decide if I like it or not yet. So I'm still like playing around with that. But this, you guys, oh my God, I'm literally like halfway through with this because of how obsessed I am with it. Okay, so that's it for the hair care. I'm sorry if I bored you. I really just wanted to put that in the beginning of the video because I have been so excited all month to like share with you guys the hair care that I've been loving. But now let's get into like everything else. So the rest is like skincare, beauty, you know, the whole thing. So let's start with this. This is from Mario Badescu. This is the Elasto hand cream. And you guys, I absolutely love this. I really truthfully don't know why, like for years, what happened here? Why am I like all focused back? I really don't know why for years we have been told not to use Mario Badescu. Like I know that some of their ingredients aren't good, but you guys, this hand cream, oh my God, I love it. It smells amazing. It really just nicely nourishes your hands. And let me tell you one thing, I wash my hands a lot. I work with cell phones. People, in my opinion, are disgusting and I'm constantly washing my hands at work. And I definitely, between the cold and between washing my hands, I know that my hands get very, very, very dry. So yeah, with that being said, I have been loving this. It does leave like a little bit of like an oily residue for like the first like 5 minutes maybe, but after that, it fully absorbs. My hands are not nearly as dry as they were and I absolutely love this. I use this, no joke, like 10 times a day because I'm obsessed with it. And it has like a very nice like fresh, clean scent to it. So yeah, I don't know why all the hate with Mario Badescu, but we need to start showing them some love. Speaking of Mario Badescu, this lip balm, you guys, if you don't know this about me, I'm very skeptical when it comes to lip balms because I have very, very sensitive lips. Like, I don't know if I've ever talked about it really here on YouTube, but Summer Fridays really breaks me out. Like, will literally swell my lips and leave like welts in my lips. My lips will look like they were set on fire. Like that is how severely allergic I can be to certain products. So when they sent me a bunch of their lip stuff, I was a little skeptical because of how sensitive I am. I really only use ULTA Henriksen and maybe like 1 or 2 other ones, and that's it because of how sensitive I am. But this is their Mario Badescu Mint Lip Balm. You guys, I fucking love this. It's kind of like, I wouldn't say it's like thick like the ULTA Henriksen one. It's very, very lightweight. There's one brand that I want to compare it to that I can't really think of right now. I absolutely love this. I use this multiple times a day and I love this one because it's minty. And who doesn't want like minty fresh lips? Like personally, I love that. And this, you guys, it's nice and nourishing, but it's not a lip balm like the ULTA Henriksen one where it's really going to stay like on your lips and you can kind of like maybe wait an hour or so. This is gonna absorb a little quickly, but if you're somebody that doesn't mind that, this is more like a salve, like, you know, like a lip salve. That's what this reminds me of. That is exactly what this reminds me of, and I absolutely love it. So this, I will definitely like repurchase when I run out of it, because I'm obsessed with it. I guess let's stick with lip balms. This, I'm kind of cheating because I've only been using it for a week, but this is from ColourPop. This is brand new. This is their Fresh Kiss Glossy Balm. So a lot of people on TikTok were saying that this was a dupe for Summer Fridays, and not gonna lie, I was a little skeptical because, like I said, Summer Fridays, one, I don't like it, dries out my lips, it irritates me, like it's just a whole thing. Even like their regular like skincare, like their jet lag mask, I cannot use it because it dries me out so bad. Like it's just something that they put in their ingredients does not mix well with me and my whatever. So you guys, again, I was skeptical. I was taking a chance. I'm like, ooh, like, all right, I guess I'll try it. You guys, I have not been able to stop using this. It's not even showing on camera because obviously you can't see, but I've used like pretty much half of this because I love it. It is thicker than the Mario Badescu one. It does have a flavor. This one is mango sorbet. Guys, it's nice and nourishing and hydrating, and I do reapply it, but not as often as I would have to like reapply the Mario Badescu one. But again, I love them both so much for different reasons. This I can keep in my pocket at work and just kind of throw it on throughout the day. It's amazing. My lips don't feel dry. They're not chapped. I've been using this for about a week because when it comes to lip balms, I use them for a long period of time because I want to see, am I going to have a reaction? Are my lips going to be dry? Are my lips going to be chapped? Like, I think Summer Fridays absolutely sucks. But if you wanted something that like people are saying is like comparable to it, I think this is 1,000 times better. So CoverGirl may be in their comeback era because this contour balm, you guys, I mean, honestly, I do enjoy a lot of CoverGirl's products, but this, I did not expect to love it the way that I do. It glides on your skin. It blends beautifully. It doesn't leave your skin looking patchy. It doesn't leave you with a bronzer helmet. It's honestly just amazing, and it's $11. Like, it's so crazy because it's so affordable. It blends itself. Like, it's really just like beautiful in my opinion. And since I got this, I did order mine on Amazon. I don't believe they're available in store. I'm pretty sure they're only exclusively on Amazon. But you guys, I love it. I think it's amazing. They do have blush sticks. I didn't buy them because I literally have enough blush that I can probably give to like every single person in this world and still have blush. Like, I do not need to buy more blush, but this I really needed to try, and I'm so happy I did because I love it and it's really good. So if you were looking for something that's not like a liquid contour or something like that, like you wanted more like control or like a stick, this, I think I really like it. Stick with like the balmy stuff. So this is from Make Beauty. I've spoke about these for years. These are their heat stroke sticks, and this is in the shade Flushed, and you guys, I absolutely love this. It's beautiful. It's lightweight. It blends amazing. It doesn't pick up your foundation. Powder doesn't stick to it because when it comes to cream like blushes, a lot of the time I find that powders like stick to it and then you can't really blend it and then your makeup just looks like a mess. These, you guys, are such a beautiful balmy consistency, and they are more like on the sheerer side, so I see like I was able to sheer that out pretty quickly, which I don't mind because if you're looking for something like more on the natural side, you're gonna want to pick this up because it just blends beautifully. It leaves you with a natural like light flush of color on your cheeks, and I just cannot get enough of it. I have used it, no joke, like almost every single day since I got it, and I have zero regrets. I love it. I think these are amazing. I think they're extremely underrated. Like, I don't know why more people don't talk about these. Like, me personally, I love them. They sent me like 1, 2, 3. They sent me their 4, or is it 4 or 5? No. They sent me 4 of their new shades, and you guys, I knew I was gonna love them because I've had them in the past. I've ran out of them because I use and abuse them. Just amazing. And if you're looking for something that's natural and like gives you a beautiful flush of color, you are going to want to pick this up. Like, I'm telling you, these are amazing. Talk about the beautiful gloss that I have on currently, because you guys, this, I'm absolutely obsessed. This is brand new from L'Oreal. This is their Plump Ambition Hyaluron Lip Oil. Again, I'm very skeptical when it comes to trying lip products because when my lips have a reaction, it takes about almost a week for them to fully heal, and I'm uncomfortable, they're burning. Like, it's a real issue over here, okay? So I don't take trying lip products lightly. I'm gonna tell that from this video because I keep recommending lip products to you guys, but this is a plumping lip oil. Just look at my lips. Look at how absolutely beautiful they look. These are extremely hyped right now, and for very good reason. They are amazing. They give you that slight little like plumping feeling on your lips, but it's nothing overbearing. Like, if you're not somebody that's comfortable with like how a lip plumper feels, you're gonna feel some slight tingling and some slight burning, but nothing that's overbearing. Like, nothing that's really gonna irritate your lips or like burn you, at least in my opinion. But this, you guys, I have the shade 101 Crystal Clear, And I think I need to go buy more of them because I am mind blown by these and I'm absolutely obsessed. To give an honorary mention to MAC Flush Pot. MAC just brought back Flush Pot permanently. I'm 99% sure it's permanently. I'm not 100%, but I'm 99% sure it's permanent. They would be fools not to make this permanent. But you guys, this lipstick, if you are a nude like lip girly and you love like a 90s vibe or like a dark lip liner and like a little bit of like a nude, like kind of concealer lip, but not concealer lip, you are going to want this. I tried this last week and honestly, again, MAC products used to break me out. Now they don't. I don't know if my body's going through something or if I was going through something years ago, but this, you guys, I put it on last week and I immediately fell in love with it. I was like, oh, this was made for us like 90s girls. Like this was made for us nude lip girlies. Like if you are a nude lip girl, you guys, MAC, I want to kiss you because I'm so thankful that you brought this back because I cannot find nude lip that I'm absolutely obsessed with and a formula that actually lasts. This formula is long lasting, it's pigmented, it's creamy, it's just beautiful. And the color of it, I swatched it right here so you guys can see. Cool tone lip liners, it goes with warm lip liners. Like I'm literally wearing it today in conjunction with another lip liner and I'm just obsessed with it. Like I need to go buy 50 of these because I fear these may be sold out for a very long time. But nonetheless, if you can get your hands on it and you love a nude lip, you're gonna wanna pick this up, okay? So lastly, let's talk about some skincare. So I don't know if I've spoken about this already on YouTube and I really couldn't remember, so I was like, let me just speak about it just in case I haven't. It's from Coco Kind. This is their Peptide Fine Line Eye Gel. And you guys, this for underneath your makeup, for your morning skincare routine, this is amazing. You guys know I love the Pacifica Future Youth Under Eye Serum, but since I got this in PR, I have not been able to stop using it. I just think it makes my under eyes look nice and bright and it really hydrates them, but it doesn't leave like that residue like an eye cream would where like your concealer could crease and stuff. And I do have dry under eyes, so I do like a little bit more of a hydration, but also I'm not like an eye cream girl. Like I don't want to like have an eye cream underneath my eyes because I just know my concealer is gonna separate, it's gonna slip and slide. But this is like the best of both worlds. It's kind of like the Pacifica eye serum and like an eye cream like kind of had a baby and made this eye gel, and I am totally here for it. So for a smoother, brighter under eye. I don't know if it's made my under eyes look brighter. Like I have really dark under eyes, so it's like hard for me to like say, but overall I do love this for every day. I use it underneath my concealer. I use it underneath multiple different concealers and it's amazing and I'm obsessed with it. Up next, this is brand new from Versed. So if you guys didn't know, Versed just did a complete like rebrand. So they just kind of like changed their packaging of a lot of their stuff and then they launched this brightening eye gel and then a brightening serum. I haven't tried the serum yet, but this is their Weekend Glow Brightening Eye Gel, vitamin C and caffeine. You guys, let me show you the applicator of this, you guys. If you wake up early, this has been, let me just show you, like this has been an absolute lifesaver when it comes to me going to the gym in the morning. I will literally get up, just roll this underneath my eyes and it's such a cool, oh my God, it's so cool. It had such a cooling applicator. My eyes feel instantly awake. Like if you wake up early and you need like a pick-me-up, this, you guys, I'm telling you, I've been using it, hasn't dried out my eyes. I use it at literally 5 o'clock in the morning when I go to the gym and I'm absolutely obsessed. I haven't tried this underneath makeup yet, so I can't really say if I would wear it underneath concealer, but maybe I will. I'm just a little worried because I do like a little bit of a thicker formula, like the Coco Kind for underneath my concealer. This like absorbs pretty much instantly, but nonetheless, I do really, really love both of them. This I just love specifically for the morning when I'm tired and I'm just like out of it, like this, you guys, an instant pick me up. You guys, so that is everything I have for you guys in today's video. Like I said, I was so excited to share all these products with you guys because I discovered some amazing, affordable, like holy grails between shampoo, makeup, skincare. Like there's so much good stuff. Yes, that is everything I have for you guys in today's video. Everything I spoke about in this video will be linked down below. So if you're interested, I will have it linked for you right down below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe. And I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.